Hi guys! Ayan, walking time muna kami ni Happy kasi off niya. So ayan yung aming routine kapag off niya. Ayan guys, yung buhok ko, diba? Mahaba na. Walking muna kami ng hubby ko. Hubby love! Ayan guys.
Got rid of all his grass and wants rock.
Kaya habang maaga pa guys. Pero guys, ano na dito? 7 PM na. Maliwanag pa. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung araw. Ayan guys, yung araw mataas pa. Diba? Siguro ang sunset mga 9 PM. Yes baby, the sunset is 9 PM.
Oh, what is it?
Because it's already 7 PM right now. Mataas pa yung araw. Mag-walk kami siguro mga 4,000 steps, Happy.
Mm-hmm.
You're walking around the neighborhood for 4,000 steps.
I walk until I'm time to ready to go home and eat.
Walking, eat, and sleep. Walk again. Where?
We gotta hold the way.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Nothing, Happy. Ganda guys ng flowers, oh. Nasa puno. Ayan guys, pabalik na kami ni Happy. Naambo na dito guys. Parang uulan.
Exercise ring closed.
Oh, rain close. You see that? You heard my what? Rain close. Ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you later. Bye-bye.